blackwork has a ton of different patterns, apparently. This is just one of the many. Okay, I'm going to do a quick check. Ooh. Okay, sweet. Alright, I think I will do a little bit more of this, and then I'm going to come back tomorrow and see if I like it. Like, if I'm going to extend it, it's going to be the variation on a theme, so to speak. Is this correct? I think this is right. Let's see. Boop. 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 And boop. Alright. Just vibing at this point. Awesome! Alright, it is 1:30 for me, and I need to see if I'm gonna like this tomorrow. I don't want to do too much more. So, we are going to go ahead and raid another VTuber who's not currently VTubing. I think their friend is VTubing with them. Whoop! But Jessie is from Japan, and they're really cool. And I know they just recently did a subathon, so let's go say hello. Let's pass the love over. I'm gonna do one more shout out for Jolene. Thank you, Jolene. Wow, my words. Ugh, my words. Thank you again, Jolene, for the raid. Thank you, everybody, for your follows. That was really, really cool of you to come by and say hi. And partake in the end of the pattern. That was really exciting. It's always really fun to share when I'm about to finish. So here's all my info. The first is for just like my personal craft stuff. And the second link is to the different links for my shop, which is J Fashion stuff. And yeah, sleep raid. Let's do a sleep raid. We are going to raid Jessie. Is it gonna work? I don't know if that's gonna work. I think it's misbehaving. Yeah, I gotta do it through here. Okay. Let's do that through here. Ah. It always acts up on me. There we go. Alright. Thank you, everybody. We're gonna go over. Thanks, everybody. Oh, I know why I didn't do it right. /rate. My goodness. I'm so silly. Thank you for coming, everybody. And hope to see you soon. Hopefully, if everything is okay, I will feel good to do the needle painting tomorrow. So yeah. Thank you. Let's go say hi to Jessie. Bye. Another raid. Sorry. Thank you. I appreciate you. Please. Welcome. Sleep raid. Oh gosh. Yay!